Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in. If you have any questions or any recommendations of any charts, please feel free to leave them in the comments down below. As usual, for those who are new, please feel free to subscribe to stay tuned to any charts that I break down or upload. And also feel free to like the video as well. That lets YouTube know that what I'm doing here is basically a good deed. But regardless, today we have DYNATRACE Inc. on the daily time frame, and their ticker symbol is DT. So for now, let's see what we can get out of this chart and then see what we can plan for the future. Well, not for the future, for the week. So yeah, so here we have price has been here basically since last Thursday, just hanging around this $40 area here. It looks like it's trying to make its way down. So I have this chart doing a few things. One, coming down to this area, and because I'm seeing like a lot of rejection from this area, it's either going to end up breaking back above and just ranging, right? Or it's going to do two of the other things. It's going to either break above like this, it's going to break above, come back, retest it, and then continue upward towards this level of $44, right? If it decides to make its way down, right, which for me at this current point is the most probable opportunity, I would be targeting that $33. If it breaks past that $33, I would like to see it go right back into the 33 buck range and then head lower towards 27. That's it. So what I'm seeing now so far on the lower time frame, right, is we did get a minor shift of structure here, basically, right? So we did get how this was basically coming up into this area, and it kind of just did this, and it was supposed to continue, but it kind of didn't. It just played off here, and now it's kind of playing off this high, and it just shifted again here. I would like to see if it's going to actually continue going lower. So market closure is about to happen in a few, well, in an hour. I'll just say an hour, but once it does that and it continues to go lower, I would, once this breaks here, we're basically good to hold for the whole week. But in this case, I would like to see more confirmation as far as giving me like a little retest of this area and then continue going. Now, for aggressive entries, once this breaks, you could basically just take it off the break and then put your stops above here or something, and then basically trail it all the way down to this bottom, to this $33 mark. That's basically it. So that would basically look something like this. And that's what it will look like right there. So that right there is not a bad move, okay? Especially when you're looking at something that's been ranging for so long, like the obvious term goes, you sell high and you buy low, right? So we had a high and we're going to sell. We're going to just go ahead and see what we can get from there. But with that being said, thank you all for tuning in. Again, if you have any recommendations or if you're getting quality value from these videos, please feel free to comment in the comments area, like the comments. I want to say thank you again for all the new subscribers that have shown up. I really greatly appreciate each and every one of you. And thank you just for tuning in. That's basically it. Mother's Day just passed, so I've been very busy back and forth with a lot of things. But other than that, I'm ready to get back into this. So let's make it a strong week. All right. Have a good one, y'all, and many blessings.